project I'm working on requires quite a few dados in the case pieces. I'm using a plunge router to do it because I have several different depths. Now I want to show you an easy way to set the depth of cut when you're working with a plunge router. Now I need to take into account not only the dado's depth but the thickness of the guide that I'm using as well. Here's how I do it. I start by lowering the router bit until it just touches the surface of my piece while the router is sitting on the guide. Then I'm going to take a setup block that matches the depth of cut, in this case 3/16. And I'm going to set it in place on top of the turret stop. I can loosen it, drop the stop rod down, and then tighten it up. Now when I remove it, before I hit the stop, I need to plunge down another 3/16 of an inch. It's an easy way to set up your plunge router, and it avoids having to look at and try and eyeball a bunch of fine marks on a ruler.